Hello, welcome to this video on accrual of expenses when the expense is received after the year ends. So let's go through an example then. XYZ Limited received an invoice for utility expenses amounting to £1,800 on the 15th of January 2025. The invoice covers a period from the 1st of December 2024 to the 28th of February 2025. That's 3 months, December, January and February. The company's financial year ends on the 31st of December, so that's between the 1st of December and the 28th of February. Calculate the amount of the accrual for utility expenses that should be recorded in the financial statements for the year ending the 31st of December 2024. So we've got a four-step method here. So the instructions: determine the total cost of the utility expenses covered by the invoice, calculate the monthly cost of the utility expenses, identify the number of months that fall into the current financial year, and calculate the accrual amount to be recorded. So let's go through the solution then. So the first thing is when the total cost of the utility expenses. So back to the question. The total cost was £1,800. So that goes my total cost. I've just reminded us that it goes from the 1st of December to the following 20th of February 2025. Now the monthly cost of the utility expenses is going to be the total cost then divided by the number of months. So here it goes from December in January, February. So that's going to be 3 months. So the actual monthly cost then is going to be £1,800 divided by 3, which gives us £600. Now, the number of months in the current financial year. So remember, our financial year ends in December, and this runs from December to the following February. So the only month there that's in our financial year is December, so that's going to be 1 month. So once we work out the actual amount to be accrued, it's be 1 month times the monthly amount of £600. That gives a total accrual then of £600. Now, the accrual of £600 is added to the utility expenses in the income statement, and the accrual of £600 is added to the accrual of expenses in the current liabilities section of the statement of financial position. So that's a short video on the accrual of expenses when expenses received after the year ends. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you very much then. Bye-bye.